Yeah, just so you know, you're gonna have to wait, and so I can get out.
That's something.
Think so?
Yeah, you only have worms on there.
Yep. Should I rip it? Check it?
Yeah, rip that.
Oh yeah. It's being small.
I'll leave this one in.
Oh yeah. It's small though. Quick though? What, you want them quick?
Yeah, you come right up. That's baby.
Oh yeah.
There's a sturge, baby! Let's go!
Oh yeah.
I told you.
They got fucking spines anywhere?
Yeah. Okay, so you can grab them right behind the tail. Right here. So they have these things on the side here.
Yeah.
They have these things on their sides called scoots. See those metal? These these are scales, but they're sharp.
Okay.
They have them on the top and on the sides.
Okay.
So you can just grab the tail.
Oh yeah.
That's
How sharp are they?
They're pretty sharp.
Oh yeah. How do you hold these fuckers?
Belly and then at the tail. I got a pliers if you need to.
Oh yeah. God, what a weird looking fucker. God, what an interesting
picture
guy.
of that bad boy.
Yeah,
Here,
dude.
turn around.
Literally. Come on. Quit wriggling up.
Just get yourself in that light somewhere and then we'll fucking...
Do one of these ones?
Yeah, that's good. Sweet.
Fucker, these things can stay out of the water.
Yeah, they can't. Come on. Little baby.
Just a baby.
Dino. Baby dino.
See, guy. You like the crawler, huh? Go back home. Well, hell yeah. This will be decent for crappie then, right?
Yeah, it's perfect for crappie. It's nice and light. Hold on. Yeah, it's for panfish. Perch crappie. Oh, Jackson's calling me. They got a big one? Hello?
Get over here. Avery's cooked into a big one. We've been fighting it for like 20 minutes.
Oh shit, alright. We'll be over. You wanna come?
Sounds good.
You can come too. We can just open your bail on that one, and we'll just leave them.
Oh, sure.
And if we get a bite, they'll just take line. I wanna grab my sweatshirt quick. Let's go. I'm gonna bring my GoPro. Bring a wild game with if you want. Ooh, okay. Might as well, right? Knew that phone call was a good sign. You got a big one?
Dude, it came over the whole one, like, easily. And he was like, oh, I don't know if it's that big. And I saw its head too big, so I was like, oh, I think it is. I haven't seen its head.
Shit.
So I pulled all the lines. Dude,
Yeah, that fucker,
dude,
that was the
hooked on-
craziest.
On the ice the first time, like this far into it.
That was the craziest sturgeon got my
Is it close?
I was, and then he just started doing that shit again.
You have to be up high in the water column.
Why?
Because he's doing the circles now. It's happening a lot faster. He just took off.
You comfortable grabbing him, Jackson?
What's that?
You're comfortable grabbing?
Yeah, I have to at this point. I was here from the jump.
Yep.
It'd be rude not to, you know?
Yep.
Yeah, keep your rod tip lower so you can go side to side more. That's how you keep getting hooked on the... We should have broke this off one. Once we land this fish, we're going to break off some of these chunks better.
Yeah, you still got the chisel, don't you?
Yeah, it's in the back. It's outside. I don't want to do it right now with the fish in the hole, obviously, but...
No sense in making it more cramped in here than it is.
Yeah, I had to go shoulder deep to get that out.
Behind you, Jackson. And then I'll step out once you get it up.
Yeah, make sure we get a bunch of...
Come on, be my fucking 60, please.
You got tape in here? You don't? You want me to go grab one?
This corner right here. I have a tape
You want me to
somewhere.
grab it? You got one, Jackson?
I don't know if I have it in here, but I have it. It's in my green bag, actually, in the back of my truck. You can get it right. It's right in the bed of my truck, in that green Cabela's bag. Okay. It's an orange and gray tape measure. I think I gotta change your pants around and get this fucking thing up too.
This is fun shit right here.
This is worth sitting around doing nothing for a little while.
Yeah.
I would just set your drag about like you gotta believe it, yeah.
No, his is the Tacoma.
Yep. That's what you want to do. You want to keep it off the edge of that ice. Wheel. Short rods, you got no.
Yeah.
Once they come at you at all, you gotta fucking be on it. Oh, I see it. Right here. Turn the head up the hole.
Holy shit.
Easy.
Holy shit.
Easy.
You need a bigger hole or you got her?
No, we're good.
Dude, no way. Definitely my biggest one through the ice.
You got her?
Holy shit.
You just want to grab the tape and then set this back outside.
Down right now. Hold on.
Mate, should I tail grab it or head grab it?
If you can get the head.
I'll pull the head up.
Yeah.
Alright.
Try to get some of the ice out.
If you can get, I mean, whatever you can grab,
right
but
there.
likely you'll get the head.
Right there.
Grab its mouth if you can. There you go.
Grab it. It's you. Grab it. It's all you. Grab its mouth so you don't hurt it.
Oh my god!
Yeah, boy.
Oh my god, that's a dinosaur.
I'm gonna get him in the water a little
Yeah,
bit.
just get its head in the water, hold the tail.
I don't have. What the fuck? I had one somewhere, dude.
You got tape? All right.
You get one out.
Holy shit.
Just leave it out for now. It's a big fish, dude. That's 50 something.
Get my phone now.
Oh, it's still floating. Oh, you put it in. I got its head, Nate.
Okay. Dude, that's 60.
Hold on.
No way!
Right.
Yeah, right there?
Yeah.
That's right at 60.
Get a picture of it on 60.
Yes!
Yeah, boy. 60 incher! Woo! That's a big ass fish, bro.
Okay.
Good?
Yeah, now release it.
Yeah, I got a bunch
Take
too.
the snap.
Yeah, I've got
Snap to
GoPro
release
shit.
it.
Yeah.
Hold on. Now go.
60 on the board.
Oh boy.
Just give it a shove.
Let her. Yeah, she's good. Oh yeah.
Nice. Oh, you bastard.
Yeah, you don't really need to give him much slide.
Should I hit him right?
Not now. I mean, I won't just.
That's the fish. Oh!
Just wait.
We're getting fucked with right now.
Mm-hmm.
Now, like something like that, should that have been hit right away? Like it's
Not in, if it, since it came up, no. But like if it was going down.
Like, do you remember how it was when you caught your fish earlier?
Yeah, it just went down.
Well, it, like, boom, boom. Like, it was hard to take. That for sure. Yeah, but, like,
That was
now,
for sure. That looked like a fish.
that was a fish. If it, like, goes down, just hit them right away. The only time you don't is if it, like, comes up like that, or it's, like, just, like, little boom, like, little tiny. I feel like I should hit it, don't you?
I have no idea. Yeah.
Oh,
Got him? Big or no?
It's not tiny. It's not that big. I don't think you need to.
Don't get it up.
Yeah.
Don't get it up.
It's not that big. Why? He's hooked funny. That's why. He's tail hooked.
Huh. Interesting.
I thought it was like big head shakes.
It's smoky in here.
I know. That's a snag sturge.
Well, I mean,
He was. I'm sure he was just running into it or some shit.
I fucking popped the goddamn minnow off.
Oh yeah. Or he did.
No, it's on the.
And that's in there.
Oh, I touched the shit.
Good. That's in there good. There we go.
Got him out.
Yeah. The GoPro, little baby sturge.
Giant, like a tanker.
Little baby.
That's what we're here for, baby.
Where's my phone? It's like it felt like, okay, it didn't feel like that much weight, but it felt like big head shakes.
Snaggy dizzle. Oh shizzle.